We're here at Lake Billy Chinook here in Central Oregon, Cove Palisades State Park. We're overlooking the crooked river arm of this incredible lake. You'll see some fog, some clouds just after sunrise. Today is December 22nd, 2023. Particularly enjoying these clouds, these dark ominous clouds with a little ribbon of blue sky. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Oh man. This is beautiful. Standing here in Overlook here December 22nd, 2023. These ethereal clouds making their way from right to left through this beautiful canyon. Look at that. Moving so quick you can actually see them going by. This is the crooked river arm. Also have the Deschutes arm and the Metolius arm. One of the things that makes Lake Billy Chinook Cove Palisades State Park so awesome is actually a confluence of three of the major rivers of Oregon, all in one gorgeous location. We're here at Lake Billy Chinook here in Central Oregon. In my opinion, one of the best state parks in all of Oregon.